One cannot experience it anymore by night. There just isn't the variety of moths there once were. Driving your car into a summer snowstorm, moths and insects flying in at the headlights.
If you were 50 or above, you will remember,
says the man on the radio.
But I was born in 1975,
says the presenter.
Do you think I just missed it?
I think that's the case, yes,
he says. I see a mustachioed, tweed-wearing blighter in the cockpit of his bull-nosed Morris, blurred by a third too many gins, hurtling at night through high-hedged country lane as night descends. Midges, moths, mosquitoes, mesmerized by encroaching lights, rising up to meet the bright intrusion, dancing toward the driving blight, as though confetti was thrown, raining down at the yellow beams. A persistent blizzard disorientates, dashing against the windscreen. Meeting their swift, untimely end, depending on the daring speed, returning home into the Shire's winding hedgerows to Village Green. Loss of visibility enforcing a steady crawl through the squall of a summer snowstorm.